Clean energy is supposed to be one of the strongest parts of the economy right now, but the gains aren't always evenly distributed. Take Nordic battery maker FREYR, which just reported a better than expected quarterly loss, but the shares, they're up about 1% and down about 11% on the year. FREYR is a big recipient of government funds for clean energy projects, including a $100 million grant from the EU, and it's working on U.S. facilities as well. Let's welcome back FREYR's now outgoing CEO, Tom Jensen. Tom, first of all, is this our last chat with you?
I hope not, Kelly. It's a pleasure to be back here. Always a pleasure to be on CNBC, and I'd love to come back at any point you will have me.
And you'll still be executive chairman, is that right?
That is correct. So I'll be working deeply with the incoming CEO. He's a seasoned veteran from the Norwegian tech investment and scaling space. So we're super glad to have Bergerstein on board. He led Microsoft in Norway and actually built up Microsoft also in Russia back in the day. And has deep experience from semiconductor industry and have scaled businesses multiple times previously. So we're very fortunate to have him, and I'm very glad to be the new chairman of the company and obviously appreciate the work that the previous chairman has done to take us to this level.
Are you also redomiciling to the U.S.? And of course, I ask out of national interest because, it is kind of gratifying, I guess, to sort of see all of this development that was incubated come here and look for a home and a major market opportunity.
Absolutely. So we decided today and announced it that we are redomiciling the company from Luxembourg to the United States. This is driven in large part by the fact that most of the capital that we have raised to date is coming from the U.S. market. We are, as you know, building Giga America in Georgia, and benefiting, of course, from the poster child in terms of climate mitigation, the Inflation Reduction Act. So for us to redomicile to the U.S. and be eligible for all the indices and the passive investment funds is obviously a big thing for us.
Yeah, and I love when the street's a little split on a company. It tells me that there's enough interesting things going on here. You know, you've got Morgan Stanley out there recently upping their prospects for it. You got a $13 price target. Goldman a little bit more concerned about overcapacity and profit margin pressures. Talk a little bit about that in the battery space right now.
Yeah, Kelly, battery isn't fungible, right? So it's kind of starting to become more specialized. I think we are seeing that some are mistaken, in our opinion, that EV batteries and NMC or nickel-based batteries, they are fearing that will sort of float over to the energy storage space where we are focusing. So we're building lithium iron phosphate batteries for the energy storage space with long cycle life and ultra low cost. So in our opinion, based on both our conversations in the market as well as studies that we have commissioned, we don't see that oversupply capacity at all. And I do also think we need to bear in mind that there is going to be regional security of supply considerations here, both in the US and in Europe. I don't think the European energy sector nor the electric vehicle sector will allow for too much dependency on Chinese imports over time. So I do think if you're able to scale a technology, you take it to sort of cost competitive levels, I'm quite sure that companies like us will have a very interesting future.
That's really interesting. And Morgan Stanley, excited about the next couple of months. Giga America. You're calling it Giga America and Giga Art. Elon Musk, man, he might just come after you and be like, no, Giga's our trademark.
Well, I think most people are calling their battery factories Gigafactories. I think it's, of course, fundamentally important to build that scale. If you're not above that 10, 20 gigawatt hour mark in a gigafactory, you will struggle because you will have diseconomies of scale. So, but yeah, I mean, we're kind of starting on the letter A. So Arctic and America are two first projects. So maybe we'll look for places that start with an A. Let's see.
No, and it's a reminder of the scale, like you said, that is necessary. The ambitions, another A that everybody has in this space. Tom, it's great to check in with you today. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Tom Jensen is the CEO of FREYR. All right, that does it for the exchange, everybody. But next on Power Lunch, we'll dig further into EVs and autonomous driving as San Francisco is about to vote on whether Waymo and Cruise can operate driverless cars in the city. Vote's supposed to kick off at 2 p.m. Eastern. Steve Leisman is in for Tyler. He's getting ready. We'll dive into this inflation report and the market day as well on the other side of this break.